Are you struggling to find the perfect business idea in the finance world? Are you confused about where to start or what will actually work in today's competitive market? In this video, we're sharing 20 finance business ideas to start a business with your financial expertise and educational background. Number 1. Financial consulting firm. Offer expert advice to individuals or businesses on investments, taxes, and financial planning. Number 2. Tax preparation services. Help individuals and small businesses file their taxes efficiently while maximizing deductions. Number 3. Bookkeeping services. Providing bookkeeping support to small businesses that need help managing their accounts. Number 4. Investment advisory. Start an advisory firm to help clients build and manage investment portfolios. Number 5. Loan brokerage. Act as a middleman between borrowers and lenders, connecting businesses with financial options. Number 6. Personal finance coaching. Help people create budgets, manage debt, and improve their financial literacy. Number 7. Wealth management firm. Provide personalized financial planning and investment management for high net worth clients. Number 8. Credit repair services. Assist individuals in improving their credit scores and managing debt. Number 9. Crowdfunding consultant. Help businesses and startups run successful crowdfunding campaigns. Number 10. Corporate training on financial literacy. Offer workshops and training for employees to improve their understanding of finances and investments. Number 11. Retirement planning services. Specialize in helping individuals plan for a secure financial future after retirement. Number 12. Microloan services. Providing small, short-term loans to individuals or businesses in need of quick capital. Number 13. Expense management software development. Create apps or platforms that help businesses track and manage expenses. Number 14. Invoice factoring services. Offer businesses a way to get immediate cash by buying their unpaid invoices. Number 15. Forex trading advisory. Guide clients on foreign exchange investments and trading strategies. Number 16. Real estate financial advisory. Help clients evaluate real estate investments and make profitable decisions. Number 17. Financial content creation. Create a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast focused on financial education and money management tips. Number 18. Insurance brokerage. Assist individuals and businesses in finding the best insurance policies for their needs. Number 19. Robo-advisory platform. Develop an AI-driven platform that offers automated investment advice. And number 20. Business grant consulting. Help businesses identify and apply for government grants and funding opportunities. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching.